See now, while moving the object, they've got small little surfaces. You can turn it in any which way, small surfaces. You can first give the tablet to Maharajas and they can check, is it vibrating, not vibrating. You please tell them to hold it. You can hold it and they can see that it's not vibrating. You are not turning it on for any reason. And then place let them first finish showing. See clearly that it is not going to vibrate, it's not vibrating at all. In fact, you can switch it off completely also. They're all saying that no, we understand that there is no folly that is going on and that the expression is authentic. The Swamis are telling the participants. So because otherwise, when your phone vibrates or there are subtle vibrations that happen inside, then the object moving. So all that kind of activities have got to be avoided. That's the reason. Shall we begin the next round? See, now what you're going to do, you will actually showcase two things at once. We will show for the bottle also. First, take just the pen cap. Just take the pen cap. You're going to do two things. You're going to move it. See, pen caps are very light. The pen caps are very light. Keep it stable. I think you should keep it where they are able to see clearly. Keep it close to them. Maybe have some more space. Come a little more outside. Yeah, come outside. Let your dhoti, legs, nothing touch it. Come more this side. Yes, come outside. Yes, good. So now, please understand, I want you to take a measure of that pen cap. Along with reducing it, you are going to move it on the surface. You are going to do both visibly and showcase. In the pen cap, I've seen one person, she has reduced it to less than half its size. As if someone just cut it or melted it away. Are we understanding? In the few minutes that we give, while we are showcasing it, it will start rotating, moving. They will observe it. They will observe it. Please keep it closer to them so that they are able to see. Have enough space. Take a measure first. Can I have plain papers given out to all of them, please? We are going to give out plain papers for all of you. You keep the pen cap in front of the Swami. You are going to put a marking on it first for each of your objects. Then, while moving it itself, the height will also shrink. Now you're going to be playing with shrinking the object. Visible shrinking. Visible shrinking will happen automatically. You don't even need to worry about it. Alright, so now you can place the pen on your tablet. Have your back straight. Let the tablet be close to the Swamis. You can keep your paper on the side. Play with the small objects. There are people over here who have played with the whole iPads, phones. The issue with the phones is usually, the common thing is people will think it vibrates and keeps rotating. But of course, they are sitting very close to them. They will know there's no vibration and it's not moving by itself. Are we ready? Alright, so now if both of you are ready, you write your names next to that and let us place it on the tablets. Come on. Place it down on the ground. The cameras, when you're seeing the things move, I would like you to immediately showcase them also. All of you, let us begin. Do what you love doing. You can keep all bigger items, anything. Your jewelry, your bangle, keep anything. When something is moving, raise your hands. And for all the cameras, I request one of you to make sure that you are panning in on them. You choose whatever object you like, but play with it. From the ground, play with it. You can keep bottles, you can keep anything. You can keep your rings. You can keep anything you like. Everybody always start with humming the Mahavakya 3 times and then begin. Just remember Swamiji in your third eye. Powerfully experience yourself as him sitting where you are, him breathing in and out where you are, and start. Even the Gurukul Balasans can also begin. It's your favorite. Yes, moving? Started. Oh, wonderful. Hey, come on. If things are moving, then the camera should capture. Even among the audience also, they are playing with many different things. Why? For how many of you the objects have started moving? Raise your hands. Good. I'd like the cameras to come and pan on you as well. Just keep your hand raised and the camera should show a close-up where the objects are moving. Please continue to move them. That is important. For everybody on the stage, once you feel the height has shrunk, you can immediately check it and showcase it. And then again move it. This time you can put 2-3 things on your... For all those of you on the stage, first shrink it. The moment you want to check, ask the Swamis if they're okay with you checking. Take the paper towards them. In front of them, put the marking on the ground. Then again keep it and let's move the object. Remember, you are all going to be shrinking it. They can measure. छोटा हुआ है. So Swami,
इन्होंने जो हमको दिखाया ये पेन का कैप,
पास में रखिए।
पेन का कैप जो दिखाया हमको इन्होंने लैपटॉप पर रख के उस पर निशान लगाया कि कितना बड़ा है छोटा है, ये छोटा हो गया।
Actually, Srimant Ravindra Puriji had measured the pen cap. He himself had marked the measurement of the cap on the top and the bottom. And then our participants, they expressed the Shakti to decrease the length of the pen cap. And again, they gave the pen cap to Mahanji, and he himself marked it, the top and the bottom again. And then he found out that the pen cap has actually decreased in size, which is what he shared just now.
They can, you can make them put the marking. You can make them put the marking. First, all of you shrink the pen cap, showcase it. After shrinking, immediately check the size, then move it. I want the cameras to show many people over there whose objects are moving. Please raise your hands if that, see that whole bottle is moving over there. Raise your hand. I want the cameras to pan towards you. Yes, you're going to be seeing the reduction in the size of the pen cap now. Those are the markings that Swami himself has put. Yes, everybody else, please check first for the size decrease. Be very cool and casual. Don't be nervous. Everyone over here is only wishing for the best and is only very friendly for you. Finish the shrinking. Swami was the one who checked it. He was the one who put the pen markings. No effort. Swamiji always says, I am the one who moves it. I make you feel like you are doing it. Hmm? Remember that. It's a beautiful moment for them to see how you all play with it. Let the back remain straight. Those of you who want to come sit more in the front over here and do is also, you are welcome to do. Yes, I want the cameras panning to the people who are moving it. For so many of them, they're raising their hands. Please make sure that you go and cover them. He kept it and moved to a new object itself. We have so many problems. Everyone, make sure that when you're using your tablet, it should be turned off. There's just right now we saw some script was visible. Turn it off. Turn it off and do. Remember what we said about the vibration. And it's not that you have to use only the tablet. Any flat surfaces directly on the ground also. You can. All the people who kept the book and pushed it off with your third eye. Play with anything possible now. It's a good time for experiencing Shaktipada. You want to shrink it, expand it, just keep the back straight and do. Raise your hands, those of you who are moving it over there. I would like the cameras to come to you. The person who moved the Rudraksha bracelet, you can keep that also. Move both together. Play with multiple objects. Yes, see, it's already going. It started. Let it fully fall. Put it on the ground and then make it completely fall. Put it on the red carpet ground, your whole tablet. Put it on the red carpet ground. She can come here and do. She can come here and do. Ma, at least come to the front here. If you don't like coming on stage. Why stage means so much fear? It's the same thing, no? This is little high, that is little low. Huh? If you would like to do it in front of Swamiji, come and do. You're Atmalinga roller only, no? Come. It's nice to see it. Shrunk, huh? Both of the caps. Shrunk, he only measured. Okay, that's great. Peter, you shrunk the cap? Make it more and show. It was captured moving. Keep anything and move it. You can move your watch also. You can move anything. Play like that. Let it fall over. Don't touch it during that time. Let the whole thing fall over or send it back in the opposite direction. It will completely fall over. Make it fully fall over. It takes only seconds for it to happen. He only should check all the time. Only he should check. The visible shrinking, like how it happened for everyone else. The visible shrinking. Visible shrinking. Halka sa hua means he's telling it's happened by little bit. All those of you on the stage and down, don't feel intimidated. This is not a test. Are you understanding? Just as casually as you are playing. You will be playing and showing. Don't be intimidated. See, when Atmalingam is moving, see. Watch on the screen. Translators, please direct the Swamis to watch the Atmalingam moving on the screen. It's in fact kept on top of a book also. They can watch it rotate. Camera, please remain stable. You can all see the Atmalinga move. And it's kept on top of a book also. Understand? On top of a flat book. See, and while it is going forward, it is turning, you see. Let it keep moving, moving, moving. The Swamis are distant, they came and saw. Moving to Koncha, they are just even. It's just Koncha intimidation. Ella dadi vechinu. That's it, those days are doing easily then. It's going right outside. Please observe the Atmalinga. Please observe the Atmalinga. It is going right outside.
Maharaji wants to share the experience.
Yes, please do. Please do.
ये जो बच्चे मेरे सामने बैठे हैं, इन्होंने क्या है कि छोटा तो हुआ ही हुआ है। देखो, लंबाई और चौड़ाई तो दोनों ही कम होता है।
हाँ।
उधर से लंबाई कम हुई है तो उधर से चौड़ाई भी कम हुई है, साथ ही साथ दोनों ही चीजें एक साथ मतलब कि वो हुआ है। और ये लगभग 2 से 3 mm का अंतर इसने किया है। 3 mm। ठीक।
That's great. Ma, why don't you translate what Swami said?
So Maharaji is saying, whenever we shrink any object, it not only length decreases, it's the width also decreases. So it's like 2 to 3 millimeter. The difference has come not only in the length but on the width also. So that's what Maharaj.
Overall, it is
yes,
decreasing.
It's overall,
It is
overall
shrinking.
shrinking has happened. It's not only length or width. Thank you.
What happened to that other Atmalinga which was going all the way out? I wanted to see if it crossed the book.